Hello, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Today we are going to learn about what is killing your brain. What is that thing that is killing your brain? What if I told you there is a daily habit silently damaging your brain, stealing your focus, weakening your memory, and draining your happiness, and yet almost everyone does it without even realizing? The truth is, the way you use your mind every day can either build it up or slowly destroy it. This one habit can either build it up or slowly destroy it, and this one habit is killing your brain faster than you think. They say you are what you eat, but did you know your brain is what you feed it? Every snack, every drink, every meal you choose is either sharpening your mind or slowly destroying it. And there is one common food habit most people have that is silently killing their brain, robbing them of focus, memory, and long-term mental health. This habit is killing you. Your brain is the control center of your entire life. It processes information, shapes your decisions, fuels your creativity, and even determines how long and how well you live. But many people unknowingly engage in habits that slowly damage the brain, reducing focus, memory, and mental health. One of the most dangerous of these habits is consistent overexposure to negative content and digital overload. When you spend hours scrolling aimlessly through social media, watching toxic news, or drowning your mind in endless entertainment, your brain's natural reward system gets hijacked. Dopamine spikes from consistent notifications and overstimulation make it harder for you to focus, think deeply, or find joy in simple, meaningful activities. Over time, this habit doesn't just waste your time, it literally rewires your brain. Studies have shown that chronic digital overstimulation and exposure to negativity shrink areas of the brain linked to memory, learning, and emotional control. You become more anxious, more forgetful, less creative, and more dependent on external stimulation. In short, this habit is silently killing your brain's potential. But here is the good news. You can reverse the damage by cutting down screen time, choosing positive and educational content, practicing mindfulness, reading books, exercising, and getting quality sleep. You can rebuild your brain. Your mind can heal, grow stronger, and function at its best if you make the right choices. So ask yourself, what am I feeding my brain every day? Because just like your body, your brain becomes what you consume. If you want clarity, focus, creativity, and peace, you must break the habit that is killing your brain. This habit is killing your brain. Now, the food edition of it. What you eat doesn't just affect your body, it directly impacts your brain. Every bite you take is either feeding your brain or slowly destroying it. One of the most dangerous food habits that is silently killing your brain is the overconsumption of processed and sugary foods. Your brain runs on glucose, but when you overload it with artificial sugars, sodas, refined carbs, and junk snacks, you trigger massive spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These fluctuations damage brain cells, reduce focus, and impair memory. Over time, this habit increases the risk of brain fog, anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Processed foods are also loaded with unhealthy fats, chemical additives, and preservatives that cause inflammation in the brain. Chronic inflammation blocks communication between neurons, weakens learning ability, and drains your energy. It's like plugging the wires of a powerful computer until it can't run properly anymore. The scary part, many people eat these brain damaging foods every single day without realizing the long-term costs. Fast food meals, sugary breakfast cereals, fried snacks, and energy drinks might feel convenient, but they are slowly robbing you of mental clarity and emotional balance. The good news is your brain can heal. In the end, the habits you allow today will shape the brain you live with tomorrow. Overloading your mind with negative content, endless scrolling, and digital distractions may feel harmless in the moment, but it is silently killing your brain. Your brain's ability to think clearly, focus deeply, and live joyfully. Protect your brain by feeding it positively, calm, meaningful experiences, because a healthy brain is the foundation of a healthy life. Your brain is the most powerful organ in your body, but it is also the most vulnerable to what you eat. The habit of consuming too much processed sugary and chemical-laden food is silently destroying your memory, focus, and mental health. The good news is that every meal is a chance to heal. By choosing whole, natural, and nutrient-rich foods, you can protect your brain and unlock its full potential. What you eat today is building the brain you will depend on tomorrow. By breaking these habits and choosing brain-boosting foods such as fatty fish, nuts, seeds, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water, you can restore focus, protect memory, and supercharge creativity. This is still Food and Nutrition Expert channel. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of the tips and the teachings that will be taking place in this channel so that you can be notified whenever I post a learning strategy for your body and soul. See you in the next video.